Zia's burping time. Matthew, come on.
Don't give up.
Maybe another one. No, he's interested in that. Do you have enough, Gian? Do you have enough? End of Zian's burping time.